Okay, so this problem is going to be the top acrobat has a mass of 65 kilograms. The bottom acrobat weighs 450 newtons. So the first thing that we're going to do is turn this into the force of gravity, which is 650 newtons. And this is how much the top acrobat weighs. The bottom acrobat weighs 450 newtons. So now we're going to go ahead and draw the force diagrams. For T is for top acrobat, and B is for bottom. Okay, so the top acrobat and the bottom acrobat are interacting right here. The top acrobat and the rope, and the bottom acrobat is interacting with the earth. Top acrobat is interacting with the earth. So these are Newton's third law pairs. The top acrobat is interacting with the earth as the earth is interacting with the top acrobat. The bottom acrobat is interacting with the top acrobat, and the top acrobat is interacting with the bottom. So for the force diagram for the top acrobat, it is being pulled down by the force of gravity on the top acrobat by the earth at 650 newtons. And the bottom acrobat is also pulling down the top acrobat. So pulling was the tension, the top acrobat by the bottom at however much the bottom acrobat weighs, which is 450. Then the rope is holding both, is pulling the top acrobat and the bottom acrobat. So it's the rope that's acting at 650 plus 450. So 650 plus 450 newtons is 1100 newtons. And so that's for the top acrobat. Then the bottom acrobat is being pulled down by the force of gravity on the bottom by the earth, is happening at 450 newtons. And the bottom acrobat is also being pulled up by the top acrobat. So bottom acrobat is being pulled by the top acrobat at also 450 newtons. Okay, and so then what we're looking for is Newton's third law. So once again, we have this interaction that's in Newton's third law, this interaction, this interaction, this interaction. Since we didn't draw a force diagram for the rope or the earth, this is going to be Newton's third law. So we're going to look for the tension force on the bottom by the top at 450, and there's another tension on the top by the bottom. And so that will be Newton's third law. Okay, and that's all for that one.